Hi fellow viewers to everybody, good afternoon. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. Okay, by the way, sa lahat ng mga viewers na nakikinig sa akin all over Philippines, from Metro Manila, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao, itong 3 words na tinutukoy ko ngayon is dalawang category po yan. It's either hulog siya sa reels o sa video. Dalawa sila. Ito ay common ito sa lahat ng Pilipino. Utang is life. Okay. By the way, kung ito ay more than 3 minutes, video. Pero kung 3 minutes below, reels. Okay? So, unahin ko muna ang reels. Kasi hindi naman to more than 3 minutes. Pero kung lagpas, that's another case. Hulog siya as video. Okay. Unahin ko muna ang reels. By the way, I have to say this because ito ay very common sa lahat ng mga Pilipino. Lalo na itong issue ngayon, itong online lending, hindi maiwasan. Kasi kung ang tao, kung walang pambayad, mapipilitan ka talaga magtapal or abono. Ang tawag dyan is tapal system. Yan kung sa online lending. Pero kung wala naman, hulog ka as credit cooperative or character loan. Yung halimbawa, nag-i-issue sila ng loan passbook. So, ang record nandun sa passbook, loan passbook ang tawag. Character loan ang tawag. So, ito ay napaka-common po yan. Actually, ang loans dito sa Philippines, ang utang ay maraming klase. Iba pa yung sa car loan, motorcycle loan, housing loan, shuttle mortgage or real estate loan. Maraming kategory yan. Kaya ito siya ay this is part of introductory. By the way, you can share this reel virally. I'm gonna tell you. Pero ang grabe talaga dito sa Pilipinas online lending. Okay, so this is all for the that's all for the meantime. Then this is a paid promotion label. Thank you so much for listening in this video. Good afternoon.